The Orphan Girl and the Forbidden Well, Part 2. If you haven't seen Part 1 yet, check the link in the description.
The old woman beckoned her inside with a steaming pot of fragrant soup.
"Child, you look weary. Warm your belly and rest," the woman crooned. Jordan bowed, but stirred the soup only lightly, her promise to the antelope echoing in her mind. After the old woman left, she feigned sleep. At midnight, she slipped from her bed, crept through the window into the moonlit garden, and found 3 gleaming eggs nestled beneath thorny vines. Gripping one egg in trembling hands, she raced back to the hut. Suddenly, the witch burst through the door, brandishing a curved knife. Jordan pressed her palm to the egg's shell, and in a flash of silver light, she tumbled through space. When she opened her eyes, she was at the bottom of the well once more. The antelope stood by her side, pail in hand. "You did well," she whispered, handing Jordan her water bucket and the golden egg. "Break this when you return home, and you shall reap its reward." Jordan climbed out of the well, the final minutes of the forbidden hour slipping away. She raced back to the cottage, startling her stepmother with her safe return. Without a word, Jordan held out the antelope's golden egg and cracked it on the threshold. In an instant, a cascade of treasures, shining jewels, sparkling pearls, and piles of gold coins sprang forth at her feet. Her stepmother's eyes gleamed with greed. "Share your fortune with me," she demanded. Jordan offered half with a kind heart. But the stepmother sneered. "Then I shall fetch my own wealth at the forbidden well." And, dragging her stepsister, she marched toward noon's eerie light. They never returned. Some say they stumbled into the same magical realm and were trapped by its sorcery, forever wandering its violet forests. Others whisper they slipped through time itself, lost beyond hope of rescue. In the village, the tale of the stepmother and stepsister became a warning. Greed tempts all, and some doors, once opened, can never be closed. From that day on, Jordan used her riches to build a warm cottage and to help every kind soul in her village. Her days of hardship were over, and her story lived on as a legend of courage, kindness, and the magic that smiles on those who follow their heart.